Welcome, agents. If you're watching this, you're about to unlock something big that will elevate you to a whole new level of your career. We're diving into a game-changing concept that will set you apart from the average agent by becoming a real estate authority and thought leader. You will be able to offer knowledge that no one else is bringing to the table. Over the last 120 years, real estate investing has outperformed stock investing for a safer and more predictable solution that may prevent people from outliving their money when they need it the most. In this masterclass, we break it all down so you stand out and rise above the competition. Not only will you help your clients find the perfect home, but you can help them secure their financial future. Are you ready to be that agent? So let's get started. Hi, I'm Jeff Seibel, and welcome to Intro to Real Estate Investing versus Stock Investing. For over 120 plus years, real estate has outperformed the stock market in most periods. Yes, you heard me right, over a century. I'm going to show you why real estate investing is the most predictable way to build lasting wealth for retirement versus putting your money in the stock market. We will break down the key differences between stock investing and investing in real estate. This is a first of its kind educational program that compares and contrasts side by side real estate investing to stock investing. Are you ready for a mindset shift on how to save and invest for the future, for yourself and for your clients, and how to build a niche real estate practice as an expert, authority, and thought leader in all things related to real estate? Let's review what you will learn. Real estate values and rental incomes have predictably increased over the last 80 plus years. Before and after every good stock market period, there is a bad stock market period. Strategic leverage dramatically increases the amount of real estate you can purchase and the return you receive on your investment. For real estate investors, the increase is on the amount of real estate owned and not on the amount invested. For stock investors, the increase is only on the amount invested. I'd like to give you a little information about myself. I'm a certified financial planner, real estate broker with over 40 years of real estate experience. I'm the creator of the Ultimate Agent Training and the Wealth Agent Certification Program. Now let's take a look at how real estate has predictably increased for the last 80 years. This is an illustration that shows the historical increases in U.S. home values by decade beginning in 1940 to 2020. When I see just one house or investment property, I see a tremendous opportunity for wealth building and retirement planning, and so will you. When you look at the middle column here in yellow, you will see increases in value of the median U.S. homes by decade from 1940 to 2020. Do you see that prices have increased from $2,938 in 1940 to $329,000 by 2020? Please notice that in most decades, real estate has predictably increased at or about 5% or more. This is a huge deal from a wealth building and retirement planning perspective. All of these compound growth rates are very good, but when you add strategic leverage or a mortgage, all of these returns become truly amazing for real estate investors. Key point, real estate values and rental incomes have predictably increased over the last 80 plus years. Now let's look at how the stock market has performed for the last 120 years. The stock market is unpredictable, and no one knows where the stock market will be tomorrow, next week, month, let alone 25 years from now. Bad stock market periods, underfunded retirement accounts, inflation shrinking purchasing power have left many people wondering if they'll ever be able to retire at all. When you look at the last 120 years, you can see before and after every good stock market period, there is a bad stock market period throughout history. And I call this the seesaw effect. These bad stock market periods in red are devastating to stock investors because they don't receive the returns they expected, and ultimately they cannot retire when they want and how they want. Key point: before and after every good stock market period, there is a bad stock market period. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average from 2000 to 2025. It looks like a rocket ship shooting up into the sky, and stock investors have done very well since 2009. But how well have they really done against real estate investors? What do you think? How well did real estate investors do compared to stock investors for this 25-year period from 2000 to 2025? Dramatically worse? Much less than expected? About the same? Dramatically better? From late 1999 to late 2011, the stock market really did not increase for about 12 years because it went down, then up, then down, then up, then down, and finally up again. We had a bad market followed by a good stock market. You'll see why this was not a good 25-year period in the stock market, and very few stock investors even know it. So how do you think real estate investors did from 2000 to 2025? You can see the median price of a U.S. home increased from about $120,000 in 2000 to over $423,000 by 2025. Here is the key point. Here, both real estate and the stock market increased by over 5% for this 25-year period. But because real estate investors can put a small amount down on a large amount of real estate, and the increase is on the amount of real estate owned and not on the amount invested, real estate investors did dramatically better than stock investors. I hope you enjoyed this video on Intro to Real Estate Investing versus Stock Investing. In our video training, we provide PDF handouts like this one on the right with scripts for you to be able to present this information to your clients and prospects, or as we call them, Relationship Farm members. These are the PDF handouts, mailouts, and email attachments that you will find in our training. Each PDF is designed to be conversation starters, rapport builders, prospecting tools, and you can present them on the phone in face-to-face meetings, small group, and large group Zoom meetings. You can use this great content for your Instagram, YouTube channel, or any other social media. It's entirely up to you. We also have bonus content, PDFs, booklets for you to demonstrate your expertise and authority on all things related to real estate. This is authority marketing at its best. You'll be able to have more engaging conversations about wealth and prosperity with real estate. If what I'm saying resonates with you and you're tired of chasing clients and are ready to start creating clients, we need to talk about winning with wealth workshops. These PDF handouts can be combined for your wealth workshops to help you build credibility and authority as a real estate expert. Please go to wealthagent.com and get your new designation and certification badge today. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. And thank you for watching.